Hi, my name is Kathy Kim, and today I'm going to talk about an environmental issue called ocean acidification. So, first of all, what is ocean acidification? Ocean acidification is the decrease of the surface ocean pH. pH is a measurement that tells acidity level of a chemical. What causes ocean acidification? Ocean acidification is caused by carbon dioxide in the atmosphere and the water on the surface of the ocean trying to reach the chemical equilibrium. For better understanding, the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere and the water in the ocean are trying to balance each other out, and as a result, the ocean ends up absorbing the carbon dioxide over time. This causes a formation of a harmful chemical called carbonic acid. The abnormal increase of carbonic acid causes the surface ocean pH to decrease more and more each year, which means the ocean is becoming more acidic. Why is this a problem? Ocean acidification is a problem, and one of the reasons is the damage done to organisms with hard shell. Organisms with hard shells like sea urchins, cold water corals, and phytoplanktons are creatures that build their external shells out of calcium carbonate. The problem here is that calcium carbonate dissolves in an acidic solution. Therefore, these oceanic calcifying organisms are taking damage from the ocean acidification. Also, phytoplanktons, which produce most oxygen in the ocean, are being weakened or killed by the issue. 40% of phytoplanktons have decreased over the last 60 years. Since small factors like temperature and pH of water can affect the survival rate of phytoplanktons, they have decreased dramatically, which leads into the biggest problem that the ocean acidification causes: the instability of marine food chain. Since the phytoplanktons, the base of the marine food chain, are getting damaged, and many of the cold water corals are damaged by the ocean acidification, more and more marine creatures are dying, getting harmed, and losing habitat. If you don't act now, it will be too late to save the ocean. People might ask, is this problem necessary? Or why aren't we stopping this? We humans cannot immediately stop this because this problem started 2 centuries ago, meaning it will definitely take about the same amount of time to recover and return the ocean to its normal state. Secondly, this problem is caused by carbon dioxide emission, which is one of the most important problems we cause. But it is a must to produce carbon dioxide for us humans to live a civil life. This carbon dioxide is just a side effect of our development. Should we do something about it? Of course! First of all, we cannot harm more and more creatures just for our kind to develop and have a better life. We should be aware that we are killing more and more species each year because of our careless actions we took. How can you help save the ocean and its friends? First of all, don't waste energy. Always turn off the lights if not needed. Actually, turn off anything that requires energy if no one's using them. How will this method be effective? Well, there are many power plants out there in the world that makes energy from burning coals. The amount of carbon dioxide emission is enormous. We release about 36.4 billion metric tons of carbon dioxide per year. So if we use less energy, then the power plants will not need to make much energy than it did before. Therefore, the carbon dioxide emission will decrease. Second of all, try to ride more buses than cars. Buses use more gas, but it carries a lot more people, and that will reduce the carbon dioxide emission. For example, if 10 people were to go to a same place at the same speed and they all ride cars, they would end up releasing more carbon dioxide compared to one bus ride. Third of all, switch your primary energy source to cleaner energy, like solar energy, wind energy, geothermal energy, or hydroelectric energy. It will make a difference if people switch to these energies as their primary energy source. Solar energy, wind energy, geothermal energy, and hydroelectric energy do not emit carbon dioxide when they're producing energy, so you should change your primary energy source to one of these energy sources. So to sum it up all, be eco-friendly and try reducing carbon dioxide emission to save our marine creature friends and their ocean.